The average function is actually one that is quite easy to use. Let's say this is the range of values that you want to get its average. So you're just going to type in equal sign, type average. Then you're told that average, it actually returns the average arithmetic mean of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays or references that contain numbers. So you double click and select the range of values that you want their average, close the parenthesis, then you hit enter. So this is the average of these values. Notice that when you select these cells, when you highlight these cells, Excel actually populates or auto calculates the average here, and then tells you that the average of the selected cells is actually 65.5, just like the formula, the function that we have used here. So we can use the formula text to actually show just the formula that we've used to find this value here, close the parenthesis, and then hit enter. It's actually the average of these numbers. The other way to use average function, type in average, is actually select average, then you can select that value, comma, that, comma, that, comma, that. Then maybe you want just to get the values of those four, close the parenthesis, hit enter. So this is let me copy the formula text here, paste. So this is the average for the four numbers. The average function is quite easy, as simple as that.